Grab your things and step out to your right.
We have just had an amazing couple hours in Toy Story Land. Maybe an hour and a half. I don't know how long it was, but still, we rode.
Like it was all day.
Yeah, it was really good. It was really fun. We got to go on the alien swirling saucers again. Oh, I closed the ring.
I closed the ring.
Clint.
I think that's how I closed the ring.
Woo! Alien swirling saucers. We did Toy Story Mania a few times. We did Slinky Dog Dash, and we only waited 45 minutes because it broke down while we were in line for Alien Swirl. And then we noticed that it was testing, so we're like, well, let's just wait in line, see how long it'll be. Only 45 minutes, so awesome. So much fun. We have about an hour left in the park, so we're gonna try to at least hit up Tower of Terror, and maybe that'll be our last ride. If not, hopefully we could try to ride one other thing, maybe. Rock and Roller Coaster never came on today. It never wanted to turn on. Yeah, it never came to Fruitation, so that's sad, but it's okay. We still had an awesome day. Have you guys had so much fun today?
Yeah.
Good. It has been a blast. Seems like a lot of people are heading out for the night, but we're not, because we are going to get every last ounce and drippy drop of Disney magic and fun we can here at Hollywood Studios. Yay! We made it. We made it. Hour and 9 minutes later, for the line that felt forever long, we made it. Woo! God. But I'm so excited now. Are you so excited, Mama?
I am.
Our last ride of Hollywood Studios.
My dad sent me. Sent the question, which dog is under the covers?
Oh my gosh. Look at the puppies. Aww. Love them.
Discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of the imagination, in the Tower of Terror.
So dark. Oh. Oh! Woo! Oh!
Oh, that's
so fun.
so thrilling.
That was so worth it. All my anger about the line just whooshed out of my body on that drop. Oh, so good. Goodbye, Tower of Terror behind us. We love and we miss you. You were a great last ride. So much fun, as always. Sat in the same little elevator shaft and same row as we did this morning. So we're walking out of Hollywood Studios the way we walked in, with our heads held high and our feet hurting. Ain't that right, Clint?
That is right.
Yes. Oh, there's Mother back there. Oh man, I am very hungry. What?
I said, quite.
Yes, I am very hungry. Oh, but it was a wonderful day. Absolutely wonderful day. Clint, what was your favorite part?
I liked how we got to ride Tower of Terror 3 times.
Oh, that is a good part. That is very thankful. Oh, here she comes. We'll ask Mama. Oh, wow. Look at it. Oh, dance it away. Oof. What was your favorite part, Karen?
Today?
Yes.
My favorite part was, oof, that is a tough one. I think dinner at the 50s.
Lunch was great at the 50s. I would have to agree, lunch was delicious.
Whatever that food time
Yeah, it was so good at 50s prime time. Highly recommend eating there if you can. Good portions, great prices, and just nice to kick our feet up and have cousin Mark take care of us.
And he learned a new phrase. May I?
May I? He had never heard that because I'm so polite. I said may I. That southern hospitality's coming out of me. Wah wah. No Skyliner for us. It was about a 50-minute wait, someone said, to get on. I think it was wrapped like all the way around the corner there. So it was a long line. But that's okay. We have to make sacrifices to get food, and food right now and not standing for 50 minutes in a line outweighs riding the Skyliner on this trip. But we'll be back, and maybe we'll stay at the Riviera, so we have to use the Skyliner. We'll be forced to get to parks, so that'll be fun. But we're taking our little walkway back, which we still love as well, even though our feetsies are a little tired right now. It'll be a real quick walk to the room, think about what we want for dinner. They're gonna try to close one of their rings since I've already closed some of mine, and just relax for the rest of the night since it is an early night, because Hollywood Studios closed at 7, so it's only 7:40. And then we have an early morning tomorrow with Magic Kingdom, so hopefully tonight we can just put our feet up, eat some food. We got champagne from last night that we didn't even touch because we actually fell asleep before midnight, actually. So we didn't even really ring in the New Year. We just said Happy New Year before midnight and then fell asleep. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do, I think, just to round out our night. It is a beautiful night out. It's like 75, barely humid anymore, not even chilly. We haven't even needed to put our sweatshirts on, which is really nice because we've had to do that the past nights, starting around 5 o'clock. But yeah, I'm just with my 2 little meatballs up there. Look at them. Just leading the pack home, leading me astray. Hey, howdy, hey, y'all. We are back in our room. Clint and I took a little stroll over to the Beach Club Marketplace to get some dinner because it had a lot more options than the Boardwalk Bakery that we wanted. So we went over there and we got some drinks. With our refillable cup, we used our cups there, and then we walked to the Boardwalk Bakery to get more drinks. So if you ever stay in here and you want to get some double drink time so you don't have to keep walking back and forth, that's what I would recommend. Mother dear got baked macaroni and cheese. Look at how delicious that looks.
It's got little fish in it.
Well, yeah, little goldfishies.
Interesting.
Clint got the chicken dinner with cornbread, chicken, mashed potatoes, and regular corn. Clint and I are sharing the chili topped mac and cheese with goldfish, and then I also got a chicken Caesar salad. Clint got a peppermint cheesecake, which looks amazing, and then look at Mother's cupcake. How excited are you for that?
I am over the top.
It looks, when I saw it in the store, I said, Mom is gonna freak out when she sees this. Yeah, because it's big. She loves cupcakes with lots of icing, especially Disney icing and Disney cupcakes. So, take a bite, Mama. Oh, is it good?
So good.
Good. Yum. Do you feel better after your bath?
I do.
Good. We made Mom take a nice bath so she can exfoliate her muscles for our last day tomorrow. But we are gonna eat and enjoy each other's company for one of our last nights here at Disney World. Sad.